Om Namah Shivaya. Here we are seeing Lord Krishna Path double chakra saligram for Krishna Jayanti. Lord Krishna Path saligram double chakra for Krishna Jayanti. Lord Krishna Path for Krishna Jayanti saligram. 100% real, 100% natural saligram. You can see clear double chakra here and top beautiful chakra here. And saligram looks like a path of Krishna. It is for Krishna Jayanti. Very special saligram for Krishna Jayanti, and you can make Lord Krishna footprint with saligram. You can make Lord Krishna footprint with saligram. Such amazing Lord Krishna foot saligram for Krishna Jayanti. Beautiful collection, 100% real natural with one Sudarsana chakra and a double chakra for Lord Vishnu and Mahalakshmi. Amazingly beautiful saligram. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.